Good evening. I want to take this time to introduce Apathy, featuring Celph Titled. We're gonna get rough, rugged, and raw for a minute. Oh, who, me? I go by the name of DJ Premier. So I guess we should do what we do when we do what we do. Alright?
An appetite for destruction. App is back. Murder beats, get hoes, there's an app for that. Grab the battle axe, Jack X, clans, pink Cadillacs. I'm a garbage pail kid doing the cabbage patch. Play chief, get shot with a straight arrow. You suckers imitate more rappers than Jay Farrow. Rockin' gay apparel, them jeans will make you sterile. I'm steady stocking the ammo and cocking a double barrel. Rock a show hard as an army of Viking warriors. Storming your little village, then pillage till we victorious. Stories of us painted on the walls of caves. An image of your bitch sucking on my balls for days. I'm like Genghis Khan on the back of a horse, or Billy Joel with a bottle of Jack on the dash of the Porsche. Blast with the force of Soviet rockets and Cold Wars. You on tour bagging whores with cold sores. Do the wisdom, fuck bitches to the rhythm. I'm hard as nuclear fission, a student of pugilism, which means apple knock your motherfucking head off. I'm logical as Spock, drink vodka like Chekhov.
Mentality, teeth holding a knife in place. Meet me on a rap tour, and a rap tour might bite your face. And what will happen is you'll get shipped out in packages. Thank God I keep the meat tenderizer in my cabinet. But truthfully, my vision varies. I go from a visionary to a vicious leader of killer militaries using old machine guns. Why I need better cats? These will still burn holes in motherfuckers like a treasure map. Think they're self-solving, I'ma just stare at y'all. Cause I'm Cyclops and yes, the sunglasses are off. So get a bulletproof armor suit and chin guard. Army surplus galore, I'm throwing more than 10 dogs. Yeah. My prestige is presidential. I'm prevalent when you pressing the pressure. Preppy, I'm prepping my pistol. I'll cast a pyramid hex to leave you dickheads covered in blood like period sex.
All barriers, trust Apple barrier. Nowadays rappers sound like cartoon characters.
Hilarious.
Raps I write cover an area where paragraphs are larger than aircraft carriers.
Swearing, yeah, my middle finger express my hand gesture. You a she-man dresser to dress like Fran Drescher. Crow Magnum with a crowbar, I might eat you. Pro with a Magnum, keep you in check like night sneak.
I'm white as white beaters on white trash on cop shows. Selling stolen Picassos in front of Costco's. This is the demigod's gospel, unholy and hostile, acidic, apocalyptic apostles.
Pop those snot-nosed thugs who act mail order a gun and they afraid to pop the bubble wrap. My gunpowder's dusting on my duns and them is troublesome. My Glock alone is like a foster home cause I be sunning them. Stop what you're doing cause I'm about to ruin. Cause I'm about to ruin. What you're doing, cause I'm about to ruin the image and the style that you're used to. Cause I'm about to ruin the image and the style that you're used to.
I got an appetite for destruction. App is back. Murder beats, get hoes, there's an app.